fast toboggan rides.
Really? Okay. Now, watch Mama closely, honey. This is how you toboggan safely.
I should have tried that ages ago. Now to relax. Papa. Get out of here. Right. Imagine me being dad to some annoying bird. Papa. So cute. What am I doing? Taffy, you're a raccoon. You're gonna throw away your carefree single life in the lap of luxury for some little chicken nugget? Papa! Aw, no! Whew! Papa! Get some nice, peaceful rest. In Borneo! Now time to relax. One small step for a birdie, one giant leap to freedom for me. See ya, birdie.